We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip Bacardi like it's your birthday.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to the channel. If you're new to this channel, I would really appreciate if you'll take some time and subscribe to my channel below. And today is my birthday. I'm feeling so blessed, and I'm grateful for having such lovely friends who have given me a wonderful and a beautiful surprise party. They're a bit shy to come in the camera. They're sitting just right behind the camera. They won't come here, so let me take you ahead. I'm very happy about it. It's been 25 years, silver jubilees of me being on this planet Earth, and I'm very grateful and blessed for that. We'll see tomorrow what happens. See you. Good night. Bye. This is how adulthood hits you when you do a little bit grocery shopping on your own birthday. Life.
And then I went to get something really special for my birthday. It is my birthday gift, so I am gonna get my first ever iPhone. Yeah, I could have got it before as well, but there were certain things that needs to be done first. So yes, I waited for this and I'm now here. I'm really excited to have it, but meantime I was exploring some more options because I am a tech girly and I like it. So yes, my friend used to work there, so whatever good I get in my life, somehow she is a part of it. I think she's very lucky. So yes, me unboxing my first ever iPhone.
So guys, I am ready for the evening. I hope you guys liked my look. I really just experimented something with myself. I can show you in the mirror, but ignore the mess behind. Also, I am excited for what my friends are doing, to see what exactly they're doing actually. By the time I am very hungry, I hope there's good food. I actually don't feel like I am 25. I feel like I'm still 18 or 19 because I'm still stuck in that era. I don't know how after COVID how things has passed, but I'm really grateful for everything that I have got so far, how much I have achieved, and it has been an incredible journey. I'm so sorry, I'm fumbling. It's very overwhelming. I'm very happy about it, and I just had a video call with my parents. They cut cake for me, and yeah, it doesn't feel very good staying so far away, but we all are very happy and we all are progressing. I'm very grateful for everything that I have. Very grateful, and I feel very blessed. I hope everything goes well in future as well, and please keep me in your prayers. Pray for me and hold my family for happiness and good things to come.
excited.
Lights are twinkling, music's in the air. Moments to cherish, memories to share. Revelation, pure jubilation. Come on, join the ovation. This is our time for a grand celebration.
There is Mahastar.
Lights are twinkling, music's in the air. Moments to cherish, memories to share. Big or small, each milestone shines. It's time to celebrate, cross all the lines. It's a celebration, no one a sensation. Hearts full of elation, pure jubilation. Come on, join the ovation. This is our time for a grand celebration.
पोजीशन नहीं बदलना चाहती है। Cuties, which is very nice because you're बहुत cute.
They're walking ना ज़्यादा और keep them bag में and then switch.
Okay.
बस मैं डाल दूँगी. Yes.
आपने साइज भी सही लिया, इससे बड़ा तो बहुत ही बड़ा हो जाता है।
इतने बड़े होने वाले हो।
ये जो इनकी ना कंबाइंड इंटरवेंशन होती है।
सच में निम्रा बाजी ने मुझे एक कलर वो दिया है और उसमें सारा चीजें ओके
ये सब नेक्स्ट विंटर के लिए अभी से कलेक्शन?
नहीं अभी तो विंटर ही चल रहा है।
आई थिंक मई तक तो विंटर होगा, फिर एकदम से समर आ जाता है 2 महीनों के।
यस एंड देन
Yes.
या हमारे व्लॉग में मौसम का भी हाल बताते हैं हमारे गेस्ट्स.
I love this one. But I love that twinkle wala tha. I really like this.
इतना ज्यादा मेरे पास सारा चीजें कलर कोऑर्डिनेटेड हो गई है मतलब.
Yes. Above cap. Oh yes, this was the best thing.
आपको पता है मेरे पास इतने सारे बूट्स हो गए. मैं वेरी हैप्पी.
Skirts के साथ नीचे boots ज़्यादा मजे के.
Yes.
Skirts यहाँ तक आती है ना तो long boots look really good.
Yes. I'm very happy. अब मुझे लगता है मैं अपने बूट्स का केस Okay. Oh my God. What is this? What is this?
Perfume?
I can matlab hai. You're gonna love it when you smell it. You're gonna understand when you smell it.
Okay.
Marke. I talked so many people so they can get it here. Yeah, सुनिए.
कहाँ से मंगा?
Obviously, लिखा हुआ उस पे. ये तो पैसे रहा है.
Oh my God. Thank you.
I hope you love it.
I have a feeling this is my body. You got this. I cannot wait to try it now.
आप सुनो. अच्छा आप ही ले लो. This is बहुत ज़्यादा नदीक.
कैमरामैन को भी दिखा दो.
This is बहुत ज़्यादा.
Turn this down.
But तुम बहुत ज़्यादा.
So pretty. I love the colors. तो मजे की colorful है. You can wear it on
Jump gun.
मैं किसी भी
Exactly. When I saw it, I was like, okay, she loves colors. That's what I need to get.
Yep.
go with everything.
और रुके रहो. ऐसा.
ऐसा? I could see in the TV. ठीक है. Thank you everyone.
Happy 25.
Thank you.
Silver Jubilee.
Yeah, you're in the first stage now. You passed the first
Stage of what?
flight.
Hey guys, so I just got back from the celebration. It was really nice, as you have already seen it, and I got a lot of food. It was very yummy. People took time to cook for me. I really appreciate that. With that, it is very overwhelming that I'm so blessed that I have such amazing people here who care about me so much, who wanted to share my birthday, and who gave me such an amazing gifts. I love them all. They put so much effort to get me something special that makes me feel that's something that I like a lot. And I'm very grateful for every single thing and every single effort they took. I really, really love them. If they're watching this video, I love you. And with that, I really missed my family a little bit. But hopefully I will see them soon. And then nothing much to say. Please, if you like this video, if you like this small celebration of mine, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And for more such video, stay tuned.